time we will be discussing secant method. Here we will be having initial values x sub 0 and x sub 1. And we will be getting the value of fx sub 0 and fx sub 1. And the formula we will be using is x sub 2 equals x sub 0 minus fx sub 1 times x1 minus x0 all over fx sub 1 minus fx sub 0.
Go.
This time we will be consider an example. F of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. And x sub 0 given equals 2.36 and x sub 1 equals 3.91. So let's start. For the function of x sub 0 is equal to 3, just plug here, 2.36 square plus 2 times 2.36 plus 1, and the fx sub 0 is equal to 22.4288. For fx sub 1 is equal to 3 times 3.91 square plus 2 times 3.91 plus 1. Fx sub 1 is equal to 54.6843. And to get the x sub 2, we'll be using the formula given. So 2.36, which is x sub o, minus fx sub 1, which is 54.6843, times the 3.91 minus 2.36 all over 54.6843 minus 22.4288, and your x sub 2 would be negative 0.26778. Here for the next iteration, our x sub 0 here will be 3.91, and for x sub 1 we will be using the x sub 2 on the earlier part or the previous part, which is negative 0.26778.
Why?
Because there's shifting that happened. So for fx sub 0, the answer here will be 54.6843, like what we have done before. Then fx sub 1, so 3 times negative 0.26778 minus plus 2 times negative 0.26778 plus 1. The answer would be, the fx sub 1 would be negative 0.3389. And for the x sub 2, again we will be using the formula
Is equals to
3.91, which is the x sub 0, minus negative 0.3389 times negative 0.26778 minus 3.91 all over negative 0.3389 minus 54.6843, and the new x sub 2 would be 3.9357.